2 years ago, I stood right here, temperature 98 degrees, picked up dirt, and let you know they were building an indoor snow tubing experience out here in the Pigeon Forge area. Pigeon Forge Snow is a go. Let's go check it out. It's 88 degrees out here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Inside Pigeon Forge Snow, 68 degrees. We're about ready to get on a conveyor belt, no stairs here, and go all the way up for a slide of 150 feet down snow. I can't wait to go snow tubing. Let's go do this. All right, so you just pick up a tube, hit that conveyor belt, and up you go. Out here at Pigeon Forge Snow, what you do is you purchase 30 minutes, 60 minutes, an hour and a half, and you get unlimited rides. To find out if you still got more time, scan your bracelet. We got 53 more minutes to see how many rides we can get in. Let's go. 150 feet slide that you go down in snow. Let's say you get up here and you're like, oh no, I am not going down on that. They do have a ramp right over there so you can walk right back down, just in case you get a little squirmish while you're up here. This place is perfect for kids and adults. All kids get a special orange tube, must be 38 inches or higher, and over the age of 3. We hope you enjoyed this look at Pigeon Forge Snow. We had an absolute blast out here. A few things, it's $21.99 and you get an hour of unlimited slides. And that is the same price for kids also, so just to make you aware of that. They're open 10 till 9, so right after a park closes at like 6 in the evening, you want something to do, a great place to come and hang out and get in that AC and cool right off. Highly recommend Pigeon Forge Snow. We want to thank the staff for letting us come out here today and shoot all this. Thank you so much. We can't wait. We're getting on the road now. We can't wait to see you soon out there, Coaster Addicts.